Hello, beautiful people. Hope so you're all having an amazing day because I am having an amazing day. So, in this day, we are going to learn Sentinel controlled while loop and flag controlled while loop. So, first of all, we are going to discuss Sentinel loop with examples on Visual Studio. So, the Sentinel loop. You do not always know how many pieces of data or entries need to be read, but you know that the last entry is a special value called as sentinel value. That will tell the loop to stop. In this case, you must read the first item before while loop so that test expression will have a valid value to test. If this item does not equal the sentinel, the body of while loop executes. The while loop continues to execute as long as the program has not read the sentinel. Such a while loop is called Sentinel-Controlled while loop. So let's watch the syntax of Sentinel-Controlled while loop. The difference between Okay, here's another loop, do while, but I will tell you about this in the next tutorial. I think so. Okay, so in this loop, the first of all, like while loop, uh, like always, the expression, the condition will be checked first, and then statement will be executed. So we will do the one example of Sentinel control loop on Visual Studio. So here is the basic syntax of C++. Run a loop with the at a particular value that shouldn't be equal to the variable. So number, we will initialize the number here. Number is equal to 1. However, number variable should not be equal to 0. Okay, and keep on finding the sum of one variable. If instead of any number 0 is pressed, then loop will be executed and the total sum will be showed up. It's another variable which I will initialize, declare to remove error. Okay, so here's the variable declaration, and this loop will keep on finding the sum until 0 pressed. If number is equal to 0, show sum, just break, and outside okay, and obviously the number will be continuously entered by user. And will show the message you enter numbers. Okay, like the syntax, we make the whole program. Number would be entered by user. Here's the message to the user, and the number continuously summed up here. And if number get equal to 0, the program will break and show the statement outside the program. Run the program. For example, I enter 15 plus 15 plus 15. The sum of these three 15 are 45. So let's check. Oh, okay, I have to press 0 to end the program. 0, and the sum is 45. So the program running perfectly. If you have any confusion, do write in comment section, okay? Don't hesitate to ask and subscribe. The next loop we are going to discuss is flag controlled while loop. A flag controlled while loop uses a bool variable, okay? It's another type of data type to control the loop. A flag variable is a bool variable that indicates whether condition is true or false. It is generally named for the true state of that condition. For example, the variables are is found, is tell, and is full, is good, is bad. Uh, and here's the syntax of flag control loop. First, the variable would be declared with false is not equal to found, and here is after this the expression would be executed, and in the further expression the found would be equal to true. The things would be more clear with example. So for this, to make you understand, I'm going to make a number guessing game, so you guys can understand it properly. Remove this uh, now. So make a number guessing game. For the number guessing game, we have to use the random operator. It's another built-in function of the C++. So it requires two predefined libraries, which are as follows. First of all, write the preprocessor and the C standard library. Here it is. And another C time. Okay, let's make initialize three variables with number and guess and bool data type with is guess. Sorry for wrong spelling. So not look towards the syntax of random because it doesn't matter right now. However, I will describe it further in upcoming tutorials. As run, right time 0. Close this and in this game, actually, I forgot to tell you about this. In this game, uh, the we will set a certain kind of range, for example 1 to 10, and between these 1 to 10 number will keep on moving and will come in random manners. If you uh, uh, manage to guess the right number, it will show up that you are a winner, else it will keep on asking you because we are using loop here. Okay, so move ahead. Sum is equal to module assign. I am setting a range here with this of 10. You can do whatever you want, like 5, 2, whatever, to check the result more quickly. This false and set the loop so we can. Okay. Gas, if gas equal to, from here we will make the random numbers. If gas is equal to number, mean number is stored here, and here we are making gas. Oh, plane is passing by. Okay, if gas is equal to, then gas will be equal to true, and you will be show up with a message, you are winner. Okay, if gas greater than number, your guess is lower one. Trying to save the time. I don't know why I always write this instead of this sign. Okay, and so program ends here. If we run it, guess any number. For example, I write 4 here. Guess is lower. It means that it will be greater than 4 to 10. It would be greater than 4 and lower than 10. So I will write 7. Guess is higher. So it would be between 5 or 6, I think. So let's press 6. Guess is still higher. It obviously it means now it would be 5. You are winner. Okay. Program run. Keep on executing itself until we found the correct number. With the help of loop, we keep on moving and keep on writing and showing guess. And it again check all these conditions, and we basically watching this. It keep on moving until the condition becomes true here. If becomes true, then program will be executed. So here's the Sentinel and flag control loops. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and do write suggestions so I can make even more better videos and cover even more topics than others. Uh, Obviously, and it's the best time to ask me because I'm writing completely working on this thing. Okay, so if you are done with C++, you can check your knowledge of C++ by giving the quiz on my app, C++ programming quiz. And for Java student, core Java quiz is another thing, is another app. Link of both apps would be on Google Play Store, and the link of both apps would be present in the comment section. And like always, thanks for watching. Peace.